Dr. Eric Duffy. I'm a general surgeon at HCA Florida, Treasure Coast Surgical Specialists. Primarily, cases that I tend to focus on: gallbladder surgery, appendix, colon resections, soft tissue masses, removal of lumps and bumps in the soft tissue, skin lesions. But also I'm quite passionate about hernias and hernia surgery. So some of the advantages of the robotic platform are obviously it's a minimally invasive approach. So it's less invasive, it's less tissue damage, the incisions are smaller, the likelihood of complications tends to go down, the recovery tends to be smoother, there's less pain, the patient returns to function quicker than they would have. And, from a technical perspective, it allows us to have incredibly enhanced visualization, more degrees of freedom, range of motion within the abdomen to do more complicated techniques, and less of a chance of needing to convert to an open incision or a bigger surgery, which can have downstream effects for the patient. Surgery is a big deal for anybody, and patients are nervous and apprehensive and they're not sure what to expect. So it's my job to paint that picture as clearly as possible, which really means effective communication, sitting there listening to them, make sure you address their concerns, but then really do the best possible job you can to explain the entire process. Not just their disease process, but what does the surgery entail? What is it, what does the recovery look like? And really try to set expectations and put them at ease before they have a surgery. I'm very fortunate to be a part of a really great team and a great practice. My partners are some of the best surgeons and people I have ever had the pleasure of getting to know and work with.